In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on device backup on your Google Pixel phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, turning on your cloud backup is the best way to safeguard your phone's data to ensure your settings, app data, photos, and messages are securely secured and can be fully restored if you ever switch or reset your device. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up your settings application and then scroll down until you find Google. Go ahead and click on it and then click on the All Services tab. Then over here, what we want to do is go ahead and find the backup area. It's going to be under backup and restore. Go ahead and click on backup. And then what we're going to do is press backup now. But before we do that, photos and videos is on. We want other device data to be synced as well, which has call history, contacts, device settings, etc. So then we want to click backup now, and then that's it. It's going to show that your data is backed up, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if it's your first time doing it, it might not just be instant as mine was, because mine is just constantly backing up, but it shouldn't take too long as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.